I'm Alok Ranjan. I'm co-founder of Walking Tree.
So I'm Pradeep Lavania. I'm one of the co-founders and directors in Walking Tree.
Hey, this is Suman. I'm Vice President for Engineering Division.
My name is Syed Muniruddin Pasha.
I'm Kishore Rajpurohit.
My name is Chaitanya Deepak.
Hi, my name is Srikar Pucha.
What we do is we don't build software for ourselves, and we build software for our customers whose core business is not software development. If we can take away those heat away from them, so that we take care of their software aspect and they stay focused on their core business. And that's where this analogy fits in very well.
It's not about a day or a schedule, it's more like a lifestyle that you want to have. You step into it and that's what starts defining you. Rather than you defining your work starts defining you more or less. That's how it has been for us in Walking Tree. The needs for the organization has evolved and has been continuously evolving.
Walking Tree is a technology company. People who come here, they have intention to grow. And every 6 months or 9 months, achieve that goal, smaller goal, and run towards a bigger goal.
Whatever technology we pick up, whatever areas we pick up, we make continuous investment in that area. And we try to make sure that we work at expert level, where our customers feel that they are in the safe hand, they are working with the best people.
Creating value is something which should be the purpose for somebody to really contribute in whatever form they can.
So what we do here is we have a methodology called as lessons learned. If there are any problems or gaps, take the customer's feedback and it is circulated to the entire people in the project and to the other team members so that they can take those lessons, plan well, and we avoid this going forward in the future. So that's a constant improvement. We continue to do it on terms of quality building.
We have certain specialist areas like web mobile, data management, and then serverless architecture. What we try to identify is who our prospects are, and the idea is to reach out to the global companies and then showcase who we are, what we do, and then sell our services.
It's very important that you understand the market and go with the market.
And always ensure that the customer is successful and team is successful. The important part is that the customer should keep growing and a team should continue to get better. So when these things are good, things will be taken care.
Thinking about getting or extracting the most value out of every day that seeing the most value in whatever I do, given day. My work is something which I enjoy to the fullest. A part of my day could be busy, a part of my day could be busier, but I think they both complement each other. So I don't feel tired with what I do.
People come here, get trained, and they like the culture. That's why they stay here. So we take a proper care, we nurture them, we train them. If there's any skill gap, we try to identify and train them so that people stay with us. So as a Walking Tree's overall strength, if you look at, attrition is, I will say, not even 1%.
Walking Tree is such a company, such a platform that every technology guy can come and learn and excel at.
See, we have a beautiful mechanism in Walking Tree wherein which we actually identify the skills of each and every resource, every person's roles and responsibilities.
The goals that we have set for Walking Tree, all of it is like creating absolutely great balance every day for us.
Generally, the way we work with our teams is like every team member knows what is actually going on. We'll be explaining everything to each and every team member, high-level design to the low-level design.
So there will be different people having different goals, right? So first I will try to listen from them, then I will share my experiences, then I will guide accordingly.
As a Walking Tree, we'll have different ways to hackathons and provides an additional ways to writing an articles or the blogs from last 10 plus years. We are the masters and the experts in the UI technologies and any JavaScript based technologies.
Simple thumb rule is you do your best, the remaining things will follow. Until and unless we are focused, age doesn't matter.
The fresh blood has new thoughts and new way of solving the problem. We don't hesitate to learn things from them as well.
This is my first job. I learned so many things here. I spent 9 months, and if I compare myself before 9 months and after 9 months, it's too much difference.
So we don't explicitly tell them to sit late, work. They understand how it has to be done. They come back with ideas.
It's very clear, spending 10 hours in office and not giving anything. You're spending 6 hours in office and giving what is expected. That is what I look at it. And that is what we believe in.
We started in a very small space. Let's say it was a 2-bedroom apartment. I think we have come a long way now. It didn't happen overnight. It took us more than 10 years and way more to be done. I think every moment where I'm able to provide better amenities, better work environment, better challenges to our people, I think that moment really has been the best moment for me.
We will be cracking a couple of big deals, which we will be coming out with certain announcement very shortly. So it is almost at a closing stage. So hopefully the next quarter will be a bumper quarter for us.
I think we reached a sweet spot of 150. So that's I felt really happy.
And the German customer gave a feedback saying that they are known for punctuality, discipline and quality, Germans. They said that we as an Indians and this particular organization enhance that in such a way that they just want to continue the relationship with us in the projects rather than going for anywhere else. And that's a credit to the entire team who worked hard in a disciplined manner and got that credit.
So there were a couple of positions where they were not able to onboard or other companies were not supporting. Maybe from 5 to 6 months they were not able to identify things. So we have done that within a couple of days. So we are proud of that.
The great moment was that we could crack a deal in the next month itself, thanks to all my colleagues. That was a great moment, a Eureka moment.
I think all of us have that personal relation, and we try to have that personal relation, and we play jokes at each other, and we try to pull legs, okay, and a lot of fun.
We do have the fun activities.
But the most importantly, we should have fun while we are achieving the individual and financial growth. And I strongly believe in having people with high energy and greater synergy. You know, when the energy and synergy matches, that's when the right outcome comes.
And we are growing, so so there is a lot more to be done, and every individual has a lot more space to perform. It's right now, if I have to look at in the next 5 years what we are going to be as an individual, if I look at for every employee in Walking Tree, there is a huge opportunity for growth and success.
My customers always come forward and say, you guys have got a great team. I'll say today whatever we are, I mean definitely there is a strong contribution.
And if they are able to get more objective, more focused, channelize their energies better, I think that's what I count as an achievement for myself.
I feel proud of my team.